everybody, this is Cynthia Sampson and you're watching my Arab News channel. So today's latest news which I have brought today, that is from Algeria. So today's top 2 news which I have brought today, that is from the country Algeria. So let's start with the first news, that is there will be an extension of the lockdown in Algeria for next 10 days because of the rising or increasing cases in Algeria which has been reported in the recent times. So the announcement has been made by the Prime Minister of Algeria, Abdel Aziz, on Thursday. He told that because of the increasing cases took place in the recent times in Algeria, that is 585 new cases have arrived and more than 21,000 cases has been reported in Algeria till now, and total number of deaths which took place in Algeria till now, that was more than 1,000. Not only that, also let me add more to this news that China and Algeria have mutual understanding in which China will be coming in support of Algeria in order to fight coronavirus and in order to control COVID-19, because China has already faced so much in the recent times, so much of casualties, tragedies and loss of life. So they are actually experience holders in order to deal with such type of deadly disease. On 14th of May, the team of medical experts from China, they arrived in Algeria in order to control or fight coronavirus in Algeria. Also, let's start with the second news, or coming up with the second news is that new laws or the legislation has been called in Algeria in order to provide safety measures or protection to the medical workers or the health workers. This announcement has been made on 10th of July by the President of Algeria, Abdelmadjid. So he told that in recent times it has been found in Algeria that there has been an increased cases of physical and verbal attacks on the medics, paramedics and administrative staff, and the medical professionals in Algeria has been put under so much of pressure because of the rising cases which has took place in the recent times in Algeria. The main hotspots which has been reported in Algeria, they are Sétif, Algiers, which is near to the Blida. Also, let me tell you that the lockdown will be extended in some of these places. Also, let me tell you why so much of increase of rising cases has been there in Algeria, because from the month of June preventive measures were not taken and the relaxation on the lockdown was there in country Algeria, which has led to the sudden increase of the cases. Also, let me tell you that it was more added or more announced in Algeria that if in case anything offensive on social media has been found, it will be under the punishable law. Also, let me tell you that they want that health workers and the medical workers should not be affected by the kind of images and the news postings against these medical workers. If in case found on social media, so those people will be punished strictly under the law. Also, it has been found that apart from physical attack and verbal attack on these medical workers, there have been damages of the this public property, public assets and the medical equipments. Not only this, now let me add more to this news that there is a place they known as Boira. So the director of the hospital in Boira, he jumped off from the window of the first floor when the angry family members of the deceased COVID-19 patient, they burst and became so angry on the hospital staff and the doctors, because the hospital denied to release the dead body of the COVID-19 patient. So their family members, they just went, they burst or they just went into the office of the Jamil Hospital office and they just tried to attack the director of the hospital. So in order to escape this attack, he jumped off from the window of the first floor, and which has led to the slight or light injury on his foot. So this was Cynthia Sampson. Keep watching my Arab News channel. Like this, we will be coming up with some more interesting English, Hindi and Arabic news on this Arab channel. Thank you so much for watching.